So people are now getting their taxes. They're getting yet another stimulus check. They have money coming to them left and right. So you guys know what they're about to do. They are about to go shopping. So let's move that slow moving inventory that you've been sitting on for a few months now so you can re-up on some new inventory. What's up, icons? It's the Iconic Fashion Figure back with a new video. And I know one of the things as a new business owner, in the beginning you tend to sit on inventory that you just can't move for some reason. It could be you just don't have enough customers yet. You feel like you have the wrong product. There's so many thoughts that may go through your head on why are you still sitting with these same styles, because all you want to do is buy new stuff, but you've already spent so much money on the inventory you have. So let's talk about that. How can you move this inventory? And right now is the time to definitely get rid of it, especially if it's several months old. It's costing you money now. So the best thing for you to do is move it along. So you know those pictures you have of your current inventory that is slow moving for you, is still sitting there? Retake those pictures. Sometimes just refreshing the pictures, even if you had good pictures in the beginning, refreshing your pictures help, because when customers come to shop, they feel like, oh, I haven't seen this yet, so they're gonna click on it. So find different layouts you can take of the pictures, find ways to style the items that you have, maybe do some lifestyle shots, find different ways to take your pictures, which next Sunday's video is going to be exactly that. Different ways that you can take your pictures of your product so these customers that are out here spending their money feel like they're looking at something new. The next thing you can do, of course, which I'm sure you've thought of, if you might have already done it already anyway, is run a sale on that item. It can be a sale on the specific item, so just run a promotion. It doesn't have to be a permanent markdown. You can do like a flash sale where it can be on everything in your store, or it can be focused specifically on the items that you're having a hard time moving, or you can just mark it down and make it a clearance sale. Another thing that helps when it comes to slow moving product is rewriting the description. Now I will say customers tend to not read descriptions. They more so look at pictures, and videos will help too. So if you don't have videos, do videos as well. But for the description, sometimes if they can't tell what it is from the picture, or maybe there's some details that they're unclear of, they'll go read the description. So rewrite your description. Maybe the pictures aren't helping and there's not enough details in your description, so do that. I noticed too on a lot of websites, a lot of people's descriptions are more so like a story of the product, but it doesn't really give full details. So yeah, you just set the scene for me, but you didn't tell me about the product. So make sure if you're setting the scene, also give details on the product, because people want to know what they are buying. Another way to move slow selling product is with bundles. So you can bundle that item with another hot selling item. So it's like, in order to get this hot selling item, you have to buy this one too. So you bundle them together, offer a discount on it as well. I actually started offering bundles on my website, but not because of slow moving product. It was more so because people don't know what to buy. Don't even look at it as you only offer bundles because you can't sell it. Sometimes people just need help determining what exactly to buy because there's too many options out there. So if you put it together for them, the full outfit, maybe they'll buy it. Another thing you can do is offer it as a freebie or like a giveaway product. So if you run an Instagram or a Facebook giveaway, some type of giveaway, you can use that item as your giveaway item because you want to get rid of it at this point anyway. And doing those giveaways attract customers anyway. So some of the people that didn't win the giveaway may still shop. Your brand is bringing awareness to your brand on top of you getting rid of old inventory. Or you can do like a gift with purchase scenario. So if someone spends like X amount of dollars on your website, you get this item for free. This encourages people to spend a certain amount of money on your website, and it also helps you to move old inventory. There are liquidation companies out there that you can reach out to and they will buy old inventory from you. Just keep in mind they negotiate and they know the going rate for certain products, so they may offer you little to nothing, like a couple dollars for an item that you may have spent 15 to 20 on. So look to see what you can get, but don't let anyone lowball you, especially if they think that you don't know what you're doing. They will take advantage. Have you guys started looking into influencer promotion. Maybe that's an item you can give to an influencer to promote your brand. Just make sure it actually is a good item that represents your brand. You can send them those items since you have stock on it anyway and it's not really moving. Let the influencer use those items as promo for your brand. Another thing you can do is run some type of contest. On top of doing the giveaway, you can do different contests like a raffle. A raffle would be a really good thing to do because you're still getting people to buy something. Sell X amount of raffle tickets so you can make money off the raffle tickets, and then the item that you're raffling off is the slow moving product that you need to get rid of. Maybe someone won't pay full price for it, but if you offer them like a $5 raffle ticket to possibly win this item, or maybe a $1 raffle ticket, I don't even know what raffle tickets are going for right now, but like $1 to $5, and you can possibly win this one item, people might actually buy it. Another thing you'll want to look into if the liquidation companies don't work for you is like these third-party websites like Reddit, Poshmark, eBay, all those different sites. You're of course going to take a lower markup or maybe only break even on those sites, but it's better to get something back than nothing at all. So look on one of those sites just to try to quickly move your product. And then of course, if all else fails, the best thing you can do is to just go ahead and donate the product. Now, if you guys see my previous video in regards to small business taxes, you'll want donations when it comes to taxes because you use it for a tax write-off. So if you're having a hard time moving certain inventory and you've tried everything you can and you still can't move it, use it as a donation. Go ahead and donate it somewhere and get the tax write-off for it. That at least you're getting a little something out of it and it's not a total loss. It's better to get rid of it than to sit on it. But that's it for this video. It is tax time. It is stimulus time. Everyone is getting paid right now, so you guys need to get paid too. Go ahead and start making your money, start moving this product, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.